Today we are going to start with exercise 11.2. In this, we have to find out the area of the parallelogram. Parallelogram, you already know the properties of parallelogram, that the opposite sides of the parallelograms are always equal and opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. Okay. So opposite sides and opposite angles of the parallelogram are always equal here. Here we are going to find out the area. For that we need a base and height, which is already given in this question. Base is given 7 and height is given 4 centimeters. If the word is there, altitude means the same thing, height. Okay, height and altitude means the same thing. So if the word altitude will be coming, you will be writing height only over there. Here you will, first of all, height is given 4 centimeters and base is given 7 centimeters. We'll apply the formula. Area of the parallelogram formula is base into height. We'll multiply base with the height. All of you multiply this value. Lakshya Chandra, Ananya Jain. Yes, that's right. Anupriya, Swastik. Yes, Sharvil, base into height is correct. Haryanshi, Jia, Anupriya, Swastik, Bhavanya, Jessica, right answer. 7 4s are 28 centimeters square. You have to put square over there. Lakshya Chandra, are you listening? .28 centimeters square. In area, you will take out the, yes, Avika, right answer. You have to draw the figures also side by side. Do not forget to draw the figures. Arav Sharma, Astha, Ruzaib, Akmal Khan, Naitik Arora. Once you have entered in the class, you have to keep your cameras on the on mode. Yes, Jessica, that's right. Length, area of the parallelogram is base into height, not length into breadth. So please correct your formula. So the base is given 5 and the height is given 3 centimeters over here. So when you will multiply 5 into 3, yes, 15 centimeters square. That's right answer. Yes, Ananya, Swajal, answer is correct. Astha, Anshika, right answer. Astha, Upadhyay, start solving. Jia, answer is correct. 5 3s are 15 centimeters square. That's right answer. Anupriya, put a square over there. If not 15 centimeter, you have to put square also. Because base and height when multiplied centimeter, it will become centimeter square. Right, Dhavanya? Next diagram. Base is given 2.5 and height is given 3.5. Multiply base with height. All of you multiply 2.5 with 3.5. Yes, Haryanshi, your answer is right. Jessica, right answer. Astha, right answer. Astha Upadhyay, your camera is off. Swastik is right here. Anupriya is right. No, Anupriya, check your answer. Check your decimal point. Charvil Bhatt, right. Anupriya, check your decimal. Jia, right answer. Astha, your camera is off. 8.75 centimeters square. Right answer, Dhavanya. That's correct. Draw the next diagram. Draw the next figure. Base is given 5 centimeter and height is given 4.8 centimeters. The formula of area of the parallelogram is base into height. Multiply 5 with 4.8. That's correct, Haryanshi. But do not forget to put square sign. 24 centimeter square. Avika, Ananya, right answer. That's correct. 24 centimeter square is the right answer. Anupriya, not 2.4, it should be 24. From right hand side, you have to start putting the decimal, Anupriya. Yes, Rajal, your answer is right. 24.0, it should not be 2.40. Yes, Gia, right. Lakshya Chandra, Arav Sharma, Ruzab, Naitik Arora. Check your camera. Children, E part is your homework. Mark your homework side by side. E part. Let's start with question number 2. Here in question number 2, it's given. We have to find out the area of the triangle. And the formula to find out the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Base is given, height is given. You have to multiply it with half. Half into base into height. Solve it. Yes, Astha, answer is right here. Ananya Jain, cut the value. 2 with 12. Yes, Haryanshi, right answer. Jessica, right. Anshika, right. Sharvil, right. Avika, right. Gia, right. Anupriya, right. Ananya, right. Swastik, right. 6 centimeter square is the correct answer. Wait, Jessica. 6 centimeter square is the right answer. Start drawing the next figure. Base is given 5 and height is given 3.2. You have to multiply. .2 into 5. Multiply, Haryanshi, carefully. Check your answer again, Haryanshi. Avika, right answer. Jessica, right answer. Anupriya, check your answer. Sharvil, right here. Ananya Jain, right. Swastik, right. Gia, check your answer. Astha is correct here. Where to put the value decimal? You have to check. .8 centimeter square is the right answer. Yes, Dhavanya, unmuted.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why we multiply it with the half?
Because the formula is this only, beta. Area of a triangle formula is half into base into height.
Okay, ma'am.
Because parallelogram is base into height. And if we'll divide parallelogram into 2 parts, that means 2 triangles will be there. So one part is called the half into base into height.
Okay, ma'am.
Akmal Khan, will you sit properly? Draw the diagram of C part. Base is given. This is a right angle triangle and base is 3 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter given. Base is given. Height is given. Apply the formula. Ananya Jain, Anupriya, answers are right. Yes, Haryanshi, right. 6. Astha, right. Swastik, right. Anshika, right. Yes, Astha Upadhyay, also correct. Sharvil, Jia Singh, right answer. Ruzaib, Arav Sharma, Priyanshi, open your camera. Astha Upadhyay, open your camera. Kanishka Sharma, I have to remove you from the class. Yes, Jessica, answer is correct. Priyanshi, Ruzaib, 6 centimeter square is the correct answer. That's right. Now draw the next figure. D part, base 3 and height 2. Ruzaib, Astha and Lakshya Chandra. They are also base 3 and height 2 is given. Do not play with the camera now. Yes, 3 centimeter square. Right answer, Ananya. Sharvil, Astha. Right answer, children. Anupriya, Swastik. Right answer. Riyanshi, right. 3 centimeter square. Astha Upadhyay, Anshika Singhal, right answer. You have to put a square, Astha Upadhyay. Lakshya Chandra. Do not close your camera now. Aryan Sharma, Arav Sharma. Open your camera. In the next question, you have to draw this table in your notebook. The table which is given in your book, you have to draw it in your notebook also. And write the digits with black pen. Ruzaib, start writing in your notebook. In question number 3, missing values are there. In A part, base is given, area is given, but the height is missing. So to find out the height, what we are going to do? We'll write the formula first of all. Area of the parallelogram is base into height. And below area, we'll be writing the area. Below base, we'll be writing the base. And in spite of height, we'll be writing the height only. Now, when you multiply right hand side, 20 is written. When we transpose this number, it will change into division. So 246 will be divided by 20. Right answer, Swastik, 12.3 centimeters is the correct answer. Height of the parallelogram is 12.3 centimeters. Yes, in the B part, height is given, area is given. We have to find out the base. Again, we are going to transpose this value. And the base will, when we divide 15 by 154.15, 15, you will be getting 10.3 centimeters. Right answer. Next, C part. Base is given, not given, sorry. Height is given 8.4 and area is given 48.72 centimeters. And area of the parallelogram, the formula is base into height. So apply this formula. (8.4) divided by 48.72. 5.8 centimeters. Next question, D part. Base is 15.6. Height is not given and area is given. Apply the formula, divide the value. Yes, Jessica, all the answers are right. Kavika, right answer. Sharvil, Avika, Astha, correct answers. Astha to the next part. Haryanshi, right. Jia, right. Done, children? 1.05 centimeter is the correct answer. Now you will fill this table also with the blue pen. Fill this table which you have left. Because you have solved all the parts, whatever the missing parts are there, fill it with blue pen in your table. Now, next question is same like that as you have done question number 3. Here the formula will only change that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Table you will be drawing as it is. Height is missing in the first part. Use this formula. Half into base into height, 87 into 2 multiplied divided by 5. So you will be getting, yes, Swastik Chia, right answer, 11.6 centimeters. Start solving, children. This in B part, base is missing. Natik, don't write. Base is missing. So we'll be writing base as base is equal to 1256 multiplied by 2 divided by 31.4. When we have divided, we are getting 80 millimeters. Right answer, Astha. Or you can write 8 centimeter also. 80 millimeter will be equal to 8 centimeters. You can write in both ways. Now start solving the C part. That's right, Jessica. Height is missing, base and area is given. Apply the formula. Start solving. Come on, children, start solving. Astha, Haryanshi, answer is correct. Yes, Srajal, which answer you are giving? Jia answer is right. Sharvil is right. Check your answers, Srajal, again. Swastik right. Jia right. Yes, Jia answer is correct. Dhavanya, check your answer. Rajal, check your. God. Rajal, your answer is wrong. Astha, second part is right. Arav Sharma, check your camera. Aryan Sharma, Arav Sharma, Asa Upadhyay. So when you will multiply and divide 170.5 with 11, you will be getting 15.5. 15.5 is the third part answer. Clear, children?